Happy Friday morning. Luna and the Boar girls are all enjoying the weather. Don't ask me how some goats that genetically come from Africa don't mind snow, but they're a lot more into it than the Kikos. Contrary to how it looks right now, she was just up warm in that building back there. So, we've got two different buildings for the Boar girls. We've got the run-in shed back there, and we've got the tin can. So, if nobody's getting along with each other, they can at least split into two different groups. The doghouse is more just a place to store it. Nobody actually gets in it. Actually, currently it's stuffed full of hay so that it's dry. Somebody gets on the other side of that gate, they can still have something warm to eat. But dogs. Everybody's staying warm when they're not out in the snow.